Hey everyone, want to shop crazy deals from Pinduoduo and get them shipped to the USA? I've got you covered with this quick guide. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and open the Pinduoduo website. It's in Chinese, so you might need a translation app like Google Translate. You'll also need a Chinese phone number to sign up, so grab a virtual one from sites like SMS Man if you don't have one. Once you're in, browse or search for your item. Categories are on the homepage. Pick something you love, like this $5 gadget. You'll see two prices, buy alone or group order, for a discount if you team up. For speed, I'm choosing buy alone. Add it to your cart. Here's the trick. Pinduoduo doesn't ship directly to the USA. Sign up with a freight forwarder like Superbuy or WeGoBuy. They'll give you a Chinese warehouse address. Use that as your shipping address in that app. Add it under new address. Now, check out, pay with a credit card. They'll accept international ones with a 3% fee. Or use WeChat Pay or Alipay if you already have it. Confirm your order and you're set. After ordering your items, head to the forwarder's warehouse, log into their website, submit your USA address, and pay for the shipping fee, which is usually $10 to $20 depending on the weight. And they'll send it your way. Expect it to take 2 to 4 weeks for delivery. And that's it, guys. From website to doorstep. You're scoring Pinduoduo deals in the USA. Drop a comment if you try it, and happy shopping.